Hey there! Did you know that astronauts can't burp in space? Yep, it's true. On Earth, gravity pulls food and liquids down in your stomach, so gas can rise up and escape as a nice, simple burp. But in space, there's no gravity. So if an astronaut tries to burp, guess what happens? The gas, the liquid, and the food all come up together. It's called a wet burp. That's why space food is made really carefully, to avoid gas. So next time you burp on Earth, just remember, at least you don't have to do it floating around in zero gravity.